is concerned. So it will be the part 6, and in the last part we are going to discuss the pattern and how you supposed to solve the 5 marks question and how much word is required. Okay, and how you can get the good marks in board exam. Because 5 marks question, it means that so much is required in written manner. It doesn't mean that you are only writing 1 or 2 paragraphs. That's why with this sample question paper we will discuss, and I will check on how much you have remembered the questions which has asked in the sample question paper. Okay, and you know that anything can be asked from your NCERT book. It is just like a practice. Today we will do the practice sample question paper, sample question paper, part 6. These are section D. Section D. Okay, section E is basically for map point. Okay, you know, and now the section D means long questions. Like the section C, in section D also you will be having internal choices for some questions, while some question will be compulsory. So the first question, according to this sample question paper, you have to listen very carefully. Okay? Because both questions, one question is easy, both are easy, but it depends on how much you have remembered that which has asked in the question paper. Okay? The first question which belongs to section D is how did, the question is how did ideas of national unity, ideas of national unity in early 19th century Europe allied to the ideology of liberalism. Explain, and it is for 5 marks. Okay, now this is your question. You are having the choice with this question also, but as far as the preparation, board preparation is concerned, you have to go through with every question as far as the practice, because we don't know what will ask as a compulsion. Okay, yeah, okay, in the sample question paper they are giving the option with this question, but it is not the right way that we have to learn only one question between these two questions, because in the main examination anything can be asked. So we have to go through with each and every question. Understood? So this is the question. First of all, understand how did ideas of national unity in early 19th century Europe allied to the ideology of liberalism. Okay, you have to give any 5 ways. You have to explain. First of all, tell me that how many of you got the idea that what is the meaning of the question. What you have to explain. But the question is asked. What is the meaning of the question? Indu, what do you understand? That
in early 19th century, how Europe has came up with the ideas of national unity for the liberalism.
with the liberalism, not for the, with the liberalism. Okay, not for the. There are the different movement. Okay, ideas of unity in Europe during the 19th century. It is totally different movement, and how it has joined, allied means joined, the liberalism or the liberal ideas, how they both support each other. You have to explain. Understood? Okay? Sit down. Now, tell me. First of all, tell me which chapter it belongs to. is compulsory chapter. Okay. Now, tell me, have you remembered that how the liberal or the liberalism, what they want? 5 marks question. Remember. Hmm? And the term liberalism, they have asked, there is a 1.5 page about these liberal people and their liberalism. Why they, after some time, they also support the idea of national unity. And for them, what is all about the national unity in Europe? You have to come up with the answer. What they want, what these liberal people in Europe wanted.
Liberalism. Liberal means free, and the liberal peoples want that in monarch system,
Yeah, Sabas.
the men who own large area of property, only those men have right of voting, and all women and the men without owner, the men without land cannot vote. They also want their freedom of market and want equal opportunities.
Sabas. Now radicals. Good. But as far as the example, to know something, okay, that is different thing. He knows that what is asked in the question. But then again, systematic manner for 5 marks. First thing, the liberal means free or freedom. The first heading which you will select, that how the ideas of, shut it down, very good. How the ideas of national unity in Europe in 19th century joined the liberalism or the liberal thinking, that you have to explain the liberal way of thinking, what they want actually. Because there was a similarity between the liberal thinking and the rest of Europe national ideas. That's why they support. The first heading will be that liberal wanted individual freedom and equality before law. It is just like democracy. Yes or no? That's why there is a support. That's why liberal people supported the national unity in rest of the Europe. They also demanded that there should be a democratic way where there should be a uniform law, where every citizen should be equal. Okay, the first heading will be liberal wanted individual freedom. Individual freedom means everybody should be free before the law. Okay, and equality before the law. It will be the first. Okay, then you have to explain it. You can explain what they want. Second, you have given the statement that end of which system? End of उसने बोला monarchy system. End of monarchy. End of monarchy system with the formation of parliamentary government. With the formation of parliamentary government. Okay. First of all, we will write at least 4 or if possible then 5 heading. Then we will try to explain and try to understand. Okay, beta. So you can see that both the way of thinking is just they are supporting the democratic idea. Yes or no? In the rise of nationalism in Europe, it is what all about. That it has started from the French Revolution, then the Russian Revolution, and the rest of the Europe started, they come out with the idea that there should be equal rights and opportunity for each and every section of the society. Between middle of the chapter, you also study 1.5 page about the liberals movement. Yes or no? As you have studied the Balkan area also. Huh? So that's why this 1.5 page in history is very important. That your first question has come up with 5 marks. You have to went through with all the chapter and you have left the last portion. And from that portion, the question has asked. You are not allowed that you can read anything without studying. Okay? This is the importance of, and you are having only 2 chapters in history. ठीक है सार्थक? Your name is सार्थक? हाँ? He is Nitin Padini. यार वो भी सार्थक सुन रहे हैं. Okay. So these 2 ways. Now what can be the third? What they want? They want the parliamentary government. They wanted the equality before the law, the freedom of individuals. Third, they want. No, that can be automatically. No. They want equal civil rights of society. They also want the equal civil right. And then next, what the liberal wanted, to try to memorize that what they wanted more, civil rights protection they want. They want and privilege. They want end of privilege on the basis of birth, on the basis of birth and clerical background. Yes, they are also in the opposition that they don't want that only just because of the accident of birth people can be judged and behave that they are superior than others, because it is an accident. If our birth is not in our control, yes or no? If we say that he is Brahmin, she is Rajput or other, that it is coincident. Accident of birth where we are not supposed to having our control. ठीक है? किसी के घर में भी कोई, but why we give respect to the people just because how they behave with us? Nobody is asking about your education. Education is asked in where you are applying for a job. They will ask you that how much you have qualified. They will ask you that how you will got the marks in any entrance examination. But again, the matter of challenge is society. How you behave with the people. Different sort of people. Never thought that if you are behaving rudely to the people who are not matter for you, with the small kids in the school or outside, in the private buses where you are going or you are traveling, that no matter that okay you are talking with the conductor or driver in a rude manner, you think that you are superior, they are nothing. So remember that it will be harmful for you only, because okay that particular people is don't mattering in your life, but remember that what sort of human being you are going to be in future. You will be habitual of such type of behavior, because here in society you are not giving anybody your earned money. Yes or no? If you are millionaire, you are for yourself. If you are bankrupt, you are for yourself. If you are having nothing, doesn't matter. What's matter? The respect. Yes or no? Respect and achievement. What you achieve in your life. And you know that. That's why it is in prayer. When we give respect, automatically we earn respect. So don't think, don't follow such concept that okay, they don't matter, we can say anything to the small kids in the school premises. We can push them because at the present they are small kids, they can physically not so much stronger than you, but one day what will happen when the same boy will be officer and you will be in a fourth class department in the same organization? Because you don't know future. And don't keep this thing in your mind that only then, because you are having the fear. No. Respect cannot be driven by the fear. डर से रिस्पेक्ट नहीं किया आप थ्रेटन करके किसी की रिस्पेक्ट नहीं प्राप्त कर सकते. Getting my point? And these all ideas related to the freedom and the liberal thinking. What they want? They want that there should be individual equality among the people before the law. That's why they joined the national unity movement in Europe. Second, the liberal people was in the favor of that there should be a parliamentary government, okay, rather than a monarchy system. They were in the opposition that no privilege should be given on the basis of birth and clerical background, as it has given for a long period of time when there was a monarchy system, okay. And then they are also the promoter of civil rights for the each and every individual in the Europe. And the last but not the least, what will be the fifth point? Yes.
Abolition on the restriction for the movement of goods and currency within the country.
Can you explain it?
When within the country, when we transfer or
Goods
goods,
from one area to another, yeah, from one country to another.
we have to pay some taxes
Taxes.
within the
So
country.
they also want the removal of taxes or removal of extra taxes. Restriction. There was a restriction on export and import. So they also wanted. Good. Okay. Anything more? We can take it also. Very good.
Circle.
Huh?
Abolition of circle.
Yes. So that's why it has come. You can give this. You use this heading that everybody is equal to program. It's explanation दे सकते हैं. But you can write down abolition of circle. It is more good. So now you have to explain each and everything. Then it will be for 5 months. ठीक है अनुष्का? Getting my point बेटा? ठीक है? It is just a revision. Don't be so much, you can say, don't be so much underconfident. We don't knowing the answer. Doesn't matter. It is a practice. So much you are having completely 2 months. In May, first week of May or middle, you will be having your board examination. ठीक है? Board examination or board exam you are having completely 2 months preparation time. 60 days. You are having to set your priority, subject wise, chapter wise, and only 15 or 16 days of examination. Then you will be having enough time for enjoy your life. And after that, you have to select also that which stream you have to continue. Why? You have to continue your stream just because not that you want to be doctor without having the caliber. You want to be an engineer without your interest. No. You have to take the stream where you are interested, where you think that definitely I can do better. Understood? So these are the 5 ways which are similar to the nationalist idea in the rest of Europe, and it was the idea of liberals. Okay, now we will explain the first. That first heading is liberal wanted individual freedom and equality before law. How we will explain, Nishant? That according to the liberal, they wanted that there should be a society in Europe where everybody will free. They are free to enjoy, to save, to preserve their rituals, their cultural heritage from one generation to another, because it is all about their own identity, which should be supported from one generation to another. It means secularism. They want that Europe should be a secular nation. Okay. Second, in the same heading, they also want that there should be a uniform law for each every citizen citizen of Europe, where if they are committing any wrong deed, they should be punished under a particular article, under a particular constitutional way. Okay? No privilege should be given to the victim, to the we can say guilty, just because they belong to the privileged group of people. Understood? It is all about. Second, add a monarchy system with the formation of parliamentary government. Because they know very well that they can be having a constitutional parliamentary body only or democratic regime only when there will be a proper election procedure, okay, where the people are free under the civil right that they can give their vote to the candidate whom they prefer. Okay, so they want that monarchy system should be ended, okay, and there should be a consent government after an agreement of the people with the help of their votes should be formed, a constitutional government should be formed, okay, and democratic regime should be formed in Europe where not only the liberals but the other people also can live freely and they can enjoy their rights without any compulsion, without any bondage. Understood? Okay? Because monarchy system itself are autocratic rule where you are not allowed to speak against. Either they are harsh or soft. Okay? Now the third one, equal civil rights for society. Yes, under the constitutional government, they want that there should be equal civil rights should be given to the every section of the society in Europe. Nobody, even the peasant, the farmer, they also having the same equal civil rights where they can share their ideas, they can talk, they should be free to make their unions, traders, crafts persons, everybody should be having their civil rights, okay, and they should be treated as elite people usually treated in the Europe, okay. Anything you can justify the heading. First thing is that if you know something, okay, you know the correct thing, then other thing is that how correctly you will write. The fight is only now to get good marks. That's it. As far as this year board examination. To know something, but you don't know how your answer should be presented to achieve maximum marks. That's all. Then the story will be same. You know, but you don't know the systematic arrangement. The same question I have asked in 10C, the students come up with 2 or 3 headings. And when I asked the same question to Neha, she has come up with wonderful headings that every heading reflects that how beautifully she will answer the question. So obviously, just because of her heading, I came to know that 4.5 marks she will get in the examination from each question. So she is capable. In orally also, she is so good. Okay? It is all about a study. One who spent time, one who is having the particular timetable. I have asked that every teacher asked that how you have prepared such a beautiful, wonderful projects. Everybody was having 15 days time. Then she said that I have managed all the 15 days, 30 minutes to give each and every project. Because to complete one project within a day, it disturbs my other activity. And every project is remarkable. Understood? It is all about her. She knows how she has to manage a proper tactic. And she is as good as in all the subject. She is a student of your own school. The same teacher, same instruction has been given. But different work. Getting my point? So that is only up to you. What do you think regarding the instruction of the teacher? How you listen carefully? How you implement the ideas in a real way? It creates difference. Okay? Now, the next is and of privilege on the basis of birth and belong to the elite or rich or prosperous classes in the European society. Okay, they should be treated in an equal manner, in a same behavior. Either they belong to the prosperous family or they belong to any clerical background, that they are also the same citizen of the nation. So in how they are the supporter of democratic government or democratic regime. Okay, that's why they support the unity, national unity movement or the nationalism in Europe. Okay, the last, abolition of Southern. What is all about Southern? What is it? They want that the Southern should be ended. What it was? What it was? Yes.
Like if someone is, we are working for them. They are
As a labor, as a bonded labor, as a employed worker. Then,
and they are like our masters.
so what was the problem in it?
None,
Even today, principal man is our master and we are employed.
no respect.
Not respect. Students for so many years insulting us, still we have continued our job. हाँ, बिल्कुल सच बात. They are abusing. They used to abuse sometimes. They used to criticize. We heard, but still we are continuing. It is not right. Sit down.
The employees should be given clean and safe environment for the
You know what the meaning of the term Southern? Feudal system. Have you remembered in history? During the Napoleon Bonaparte, he ended the feudal system. And in the same chapter, there was a word Southern. There was a restriction on the bonded labor that their wages was not fixed. They have to give extra taxes. Okay, and this was just a humiliation, and it will just go against the civil right of a human being. That's why the Dipper also wanted that the worker and the hired bonded labor should be free. Their working condition, their wages should be discussed with them. Okay, no physical and the mental exploitation should be there. No heavy burden of taxes should be there. And it is that they were in the favor of abolition or end of serfdom. Okay, sit down. It is all about how you have to, what is the demand for the 5 marks question in the examination. Okay, the clarity. If you know that clarity, you cannot write down in the examination sheet in every answer like, just like. The language should be different. It shouldn't be just like that we speak with as a face-to-face communication. No, when we represent the answer, there is a particular way of writing, presentation, language, grammatical rules, definitely, punctuation marks, so many things. And then above them, exact relevant content. Understood, Astha? Most of us need what is asked in the question, the meaning of the question. Now, the other question in the sample question paper, and it is as an optional question with this question. And what was the question? It is an easy question. As 3 to 5 times I have given this question as a homework, revision also, and main basic homework also. I have given this question. I hope that maximum student will give me the answer. And the question is, how did Greek War of Independence? Next question, which is an option. How did Greek War of Independence mobilized nationalist feelings nationalist feelings among the educated elite across Europe. Explain. Okay. It was the next question for 5 marks from section D. How did Greek? You have done short note on Greek War of Independence in NCERT, writing Greek. Okay. So many times I have given this question for revision purpose for unit examination or in a half yearly. So I think so many times you all students have done the question. Okay, the same question. But they are not asking that you have to give the short notes on Greek War of Independence. They are just asking you that how did Greek War of Independence mobilize nationalist feelings among the educated elite across Europe? What do you understand by this question? Achal, what is the meaning of the question? What are you supposed to answer?
How did the Greek War of Independence spirit the nationalist feelings among the educated elite across Europe?
And you have to explain. Sit down. Now then, when I have given you this question, then write down short notes in Greek War of Independence. What are you supposed to write? You just modify your answer according to the need of question. Yes. How you can say that Greek War of Independence also mobilized, also helped spread the feeling of nationalist or nationalism among the elite, educated elite in Europe.
By newspapers and mass media.
And the main thing you are living. Newspaper, before newspaper, the poets and painters. Yes. So first of all, you have to introduce the introduction of the question. That what was the scene of Greece up to the 15th century? It was under the Ottoman Empire. It was a Muslim empire. Okay? Anna, getting my point? Sit down. So you will start your answer that how the Greek War of Independence played a significant role in the spreading of nationalist feeling among the educated elite. Here we are not talking about the rural people. We are not talking about the peasant and farmer. We are talking about specifically educated elite class. Poets, painters, educationists. Okay, there's one English poet also who had participated in the Greek War of Independence. He started to start a fund for the war welfare. Okay, and he has to sacrifice his life also. His contribution we cannot forget in the Greek War of Independence, and he belonged to the elite educated class in Europe. Okay, so first that you will give a little bit of historical background that up to the 15th century, listen carefully, you have to write the things at home when the session has started. Now it is a peak time where you have to remind the things. This empire. That's why up to the 1831 or 1832, they started to mobilize the people. Okay, especially here we are talking about the educated elite class, the poets, painters, educationists. They start to spread the feeling of nationalism, as that they wanted that their own identity, their heritage, cultural heritage, which has just extinct just because of the compulsion and the restriction of Muslim empire up to the 15th century in Greece. Now the Greek people wanted to preserve their own cultural language, regional beliefs in the Greece, as this Greece is belong to them. Okay, and then in 1831 and 2, they started the movement to spread the feeling by their paintings. Painters started to make the paintings which influenced the idea of nationalism among the educated elite class, with their poems also, which are in their own language, okay, which reflect the cultural belief in their country, so that their cultural belief and their cultural heritage will remain in the society. Okay, and in this way they take the help of media, newspaper, vernacular newspaper, where their poems, their articles used to publish to educate the elite educated class for their own cultural heritage, which was at the end of the just because of the Muslim empire. And at last that they got the freedom, as in it, which treaty was held? Treaty of Constantinople. After the Treaty of Constantinople, the Greece became an independent nation. Student, what I want to say, that if, and it is just a fair NCERT question, so there should be systematic revision, chapter wise chapter. Okay, Disha? Are you listening? Class, chapter wise chapter. Definite timetable should be there. But you have to manage. You have to manage that how you are supposed to complete your syllabus. Okay? And we say completion of syllabus. Do you know? Completion of syllabus is that not just how many notebooks you have filled. Even if you have written the answer in your notebook, the basic idea should be kept in your mind for each and every question. Then you can say it is a completion of syllabus. Okay? So it was a large, this is a manner basically that how you are supposed to justify every 5 marks question. Tomorrow I will conduct a written test. The question will be from the same question, sample question paper. I want that in a writing manner how much you have practiced. Okay? Till then, take care. Goodbye.